Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. Need a new garage door, remote, garage door malfunctioning, or looking to upgrade your garage door opener? Mr. Locksmith Garage Door and Repair is your 24-hour garage door repair and locksmith service. We service all residential garage doors such as LiftMaster, CraftSmith, Chamberlain, and many, many more. Need a new garage door cable, new garage door spring? Mr. Locksmith Garage Door and Repair can help. Are you tired of carrying around that bulky garage door remote? We can program a new universal remote for you for your keychain. In the winter, drafty garage doors can be a pain. We'll weather strip your garage door for you. Also, we have insulation kits for your garage door. We are your premier source in the Lower Mainland for garage doors. We have many garage doors available for sale. If you're looking to repair your garage door or install a new garage door, give us a call today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.